Hello, this tutorial will explain how you can insert and format images in Google Sites. Now there are two ways that you can insert images into Google Sites. The first way is to upload an image that you have saved on your computer to your web page. To do this, first of all I will click on the Edit Page button. Then I will click on the Insert menu and select Image. The Add an Image dialog box then appears. I can now click on the Upload Images button. I then need to find the folder that the image that I want is saved in. Once I've found that folder and I've found the image, I double click on the image and it will then automatically upload the image to Google Sites. I'll see a preview of my image. Once that I've checked that that is correct, I can click OK and my image will be inserted onto my Google Sites webpage. The second way that I can insert images into a web page is to insert them directly from the internet. So I'm going to go to the Google Images webpage. I'm going to search for an image of a dog. So I type in dog, click search. I then get lots and lots of search results. Once I've found the image that I want, I click on it. Then I click on the View Image button, and that will bring up the web page of the image that I want. Now I'm not going to copy the image itself, I'm going to copy the URL address of the image. So I need to highlight the URL from the address bar, right click, copy. Then I can go back to my Google Sites webpage, click on my Insert menu, click on Image. I'm now going to select Web Address, URL, and I'm going to paste that URL that I copied before into this box here. There we go, there's a preview of my image, and if I click OK, the image appears. Now we notice that the image of my beagle is much smaller and much more appropriately sized than the images of these two white dogs here. So first thing I want to do is make the picture of the white dogs much smaller. If I click on the image, a dialog box will appear. I can choose the size of my images. I've got small, medium and large. I'll click on large and we notice that that is, even though it says large, much smaller than it was before. Other ways in which I can format my images could be to change the alignment. So for example, if I'd like to align this image in the center, I could click on this button here, Align Center. And if I wanted to align this image to the right hand side of the page, I could click here, Align Right. Okay, and that is the end of the tutorial.